In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page or duplicate a page in Canva, whether you're designing a presentation, a multi-page document, or a social media carousel. Knowing how to manage pages efficiently can save you tons of time. If you've ever found yourself needing to expand your canvas or replicate an existing layout for consistency, this quick tutorial will walk you through both methods step by step. Let's start with adding a new page. Once you've opened your Canva project, take a look toward the bottom of your workspace. You'll notice a small plus icon beneath your design. This is your shortcut to adding a new page. Simply click on that icon and instantly Canva will insert a blank page right below your current one. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to continue your design sequence, such as adding new slides to a presentation or extending a marketing campaign layout. You can add as many pages as you need, and each one will remain neatly organized within the same file. Now, let's move on to duplicating a page. This is perfect when you've already designed something that you'd like to reuse, such as maintaining the same layout or branding style across multiple slides. To do this, hover your mouse over the page you wish to duplicate. On the top right corner of the page preview, you'll see an icon that looks like two overlapping rectangles. That's the duplicate page button. Click on it and Canva will instantly create an exact copy right below your original page. Alternatively, if you prefer using shortcuts, select the page and press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. The new page will appear instantly, preserving every element, text box, and image exactly as it was. This approach is great for keeping design consistency across a series of slides or experimenting with layout changes while keeping your original version intact. Once your new page or duplicate is added, feel free to reorder them by simply dragging and dropping in the page panel. This helps when you're organizing multi-step guides, story sequences, or content slides. If you need to delete a page, hover over it and click the trash icon. Canva's page management tools make this process effortless and clean. And that's all for today's tutorial. I hope this guide helps you work faster and smarter in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple yet effective Canva design tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing.